I was newer to the Central Valley and I've always loved flowers, and so I planted some flowers, went to the Clovis Farmers Market so I'd have some more friends, and it continued from there. Grew to another market, doubled, quit my desk job, and I'm able to grow cut flowers for a living, and added the pumpkin as something in the fall. And then we also additionally added a vegetable CSA subscription.
Well, I was pre-med. I graduated from UC Santa Cruz, so I didn't really take the straight path to winemaking career. I've moved back home and was studying for the MCATs. I found a job in the newspaper for a lab, and it turned out to be a winery lab, and so I stayed.
I've learned so many things across other parts of the food system, but hadn't actually done the actual food production before. And when I was looking for what was going to be my next move in life, it made sense to come back and farm chilies and really think about the food system from the bottom up, and think about how we can get people to think about their food differently and where their food is coming from, and how to season their food differently by starting with growing chilies for chili powders.